What is up guys and welcome dito sa ating S2 2.5 no. Ito yung task natin ngayon. So, ang task ninyo, no, since tapos na natin yung mula ground floor up to fourth floor na sanitary and vent system. Ang task ninyo ngayon is gagawa nyo ng sanitary and then vent system yung ating fifth floor. As you can see, no, meron lang ilan dito, which is meron tayong one CR. Okay, that includes a water closet, drain, floor drain, and then yung tinatawag nating lavatory. And then meron tayo ditong kitchen sink. So ang gagawin niyo is, ang task ninyo is gagawin niyo to ng sanitary and then vent system. Nako-connect dito sa dalawang risers natin na to. Okay? After that, no, we can continue on our next lesson, which is yung ating domestic cold and hot water system. Okay? So, take this a challenge, no, para ma-challenge din nyo yung sarili niyo without my guide, no. Madali lang naman to. So, draft kayo ng pipe dito and then make kayo ng turn of 45 degrees dito para dito sa ating sink, and then another turn dito, 45 degree para dito. And then another turn naman dito, ayan, pupunta dito para sa ating ano. And then, another turn dito, and then paganan dito. Okay, and then dito yung clean out natin. So, ganun lang, no? Napakadali. And then yung vent system natin, pupunta dito. Okay? So, I hope na magawa ninyo, no? Take this as challenge, no? And after that, no, meron tayong konting questions dito sa ating learning management system. I hope na masagutan ninyo. And then I hope, no, na mas mag-improve kayo, no, without my guide. Okay? So, sometimes kasi kapag bi-model na tayo, binibigyan tayo ng mga task, no, or impossible task na kailangan natin gawin with our own, no, knowledge. Okay? So, this is your task, and I hope, and then see you on the next lesson.